Most retail traders are afraid to trade. They want to take one trade and ride that all day and then close it out and take their profit. The reality is the markets don't work that way. You've got to be flexible and you've got to be able to trade both ways, and you've got to be able to switch when the market says switch. Stay tuned and we'll show you today exactly how we did that, how we knew when to do it ahead of time, and how you can use prediction points to do the same thing in your own trading. Welcome back. It's Wednesday, January 29th. We're looking at the S&P 500. We're looking at prediction points. Right here we have this solid orange line, a solid blue line. Those are both prediction points. Just on each side of this I have a dotted line. That's a point just for my own trading. So right here you can ignore those. So you can see here we have this prediction point, that prediction point. And last night, you'll see in the pre-market walkthrough, around 130, 140, something like that. I did a video for the pre-market for this morning. I wasn't going to be able to around at the open, and so I recorded a video. Market was trading around here. Right towards the end of the video, said a couple of things. One is that around the top up here, we would be looking for short opportunities unless we broke out. And then around the bottom of the range, we'd be looking for buy opportunities, and really gave two different areas of where would the top be and where would the bottom be. Basically said 93.5 would be a breakout to the upside. And then on the downside, gave this 72.5 and said that would be the first area that we would need to break to get lower. So all the way from here at 93.5 down here to 72.5, that's 21 points. So lots of opportunities. So we said selling up around the top and then buying it down around the bottom, and that would be the best trading opportunities of the day. And then we had scenarios for if we broke outside of those ranges, but that was the first range and the first two important prices of the day. So let's just look through here how the day actually ended up playing out. We came in here into the morning. This is all Globex. All Globex. And we'll actually do that, make it bigger so we can see it in a better view. So here's the open, and we traded in the pre-market, we traded up here to 91.75. You want to get an idea of how this looked up here. So we traded up here, and then here's a pretty important resistance area up here around 91. You can see that over here. You can see it wick up through there. It's just 91, 91.75 in that area. We probed up here 91.25. So what did we say? We said around the top we'd want to be shorting. So 93.5 is what we said for up there. This is within 2 points of the top over here. So this was within 2 points of the top if you were trading this early. But when it came back up here, this is a couple of points from the top. Great shorting opportunity. Now, if you missed that, there was another opportunity to get short here off the CPA. That was at 88. So where are we looking for? We're looking down here to 72.5. So 88 down here to 72.5. By the way, you missed the short at 88. Well, look, there was another opportunity to get short right here at the CPA. It broke and came back up and tested it there real quick. Another opportunity to get short from 85 down to 72. Lots of opportunity there this morning. And then we broke down here. We said 72.5. We probed that a couple of points, not really a big deal. We said the 72.5 area, probed that a couple of points, and then this was a buy opportunity, so we're selling it up here, knowing that we could get up to 93.5 and be shorting it up there, but we're buying it down here until we break this. So bought it down here at 72.5, all the way back up here to 85. And then that traded in a range, and then we had, this was the range going into the FOMC. We had the federal funds statement come out here, or the federal funds rate right here. It's at 2 p.m. Eastern. And surprisingly, not surprisingly, they came right down to the KP, went right off of here up to this 92.75, 3 ticks from this area that we gave up here. Not 93.25, so 2 ticks from that 93.25 area. And then sold off down here, and well, what happened? Well, we'd already used this area, so it came up here. We're sellers up here, and this 92 area, and then all the way down from 92, we broke 72. Of course, we were thinking if we can't move higher from this area, then of course we're looking for lower. And where did we say lower this morning? We said down here to 63.5 area, and you can see they came all the way down here to 65.25. So right down there, and then what happened? It bounced a bit, and then into the, after, this is actually currently what's the trading is looking like, down to 64.5. So within we said 63.5. So within a point of that, 4 ticks from there right now. So we gave at 93.5, we had a target down here at 63.5. That's 30 points. And we ended up filling all of that within 4 ticks. So there you have it. Hard to get it any more right than that on a Fed day when we don't know what the FOMC news is going to be, and both of those and the scenarios, it really couldn't have played out any more perfectly than the way we laid it out this morning. And so there you have a huge day, gigantic opportunity, and if you're not in the live trade signals, go check it out. Go to Day Trade Like a Pro. Go watch today's pre-market video. That's up here in the corner. You can see what that looked like, and we'll see you in the live trade signals tomorrow.